to CMG Crypto Money Guru mein once again it's welcome and today we are at 2.48 trillion market cap and overall crypto market is right now 66% up and Bitcoin is at right now at 58,878 USD. Ethereum right now 3,953 and maybe I hope today night it will cross to 4,000 and Cardano is 1.75 USD and as we know that VeChain is at 23 cent and more than 23 cent and right now I would like to talk about Telcoin, the dark horse of cryptos, because Telcoin in recent last week its rally was, we just see Telcoin rallied around yes, it rallied in 24 hours 38% and it rallied from and it's overall 1 week or all-time high and low. We can see it's a dark horse. It's token and based on Ethereum platform, medium of exchange, and Telcoin is a very good concept and it recently partnership with the quick swap, so you can see how much the volume is right now for this type of coin. A new form of mobile payment. Yes, it's a mobile payment and Telcoin is good investment and Ethereum Classic is also to 220% high this week because it's a sister, as we know that it's a sister fork. Ethereum Classic, it's a sister fork, but due to some problems in Ethereum Classic, it was not rallied like this earlier. So due to it suffered several losses, several attacks. It's faced several attacks and that's why. But right now as Ethereum is growing, Ethereum Classic, its sister concern is also growing, and a Litecoin, we can see the Litecoin price prediction is around 550 and you can see Ethereum Classic is also a good investment. Litecoin is also a good investment. And this is Telcoin's website. As I told you, send money and smarter way and App Store and Google Play Store application already they have launched, and LTC Litecoin. I also have some Litecoins and it's right now at 406 USD and it will, as my prediction, it will touch to 550 very soon in this bull run, and it's a good investment. Yes, and Litecoin is present in the market from the last bull run and a good investment it is for you. So today we have the coins. Telcoin is good investment, ETH is good investment, ETC, and Litecoin is also good investment for to make good money for few time, because you can't invest in LTC, Litecoin and Ethereum Classic for long run. If you want to make money for long time, then you have to choose some alternative altcoins. So right now, but for short time of period, you can make money in these three, as I told you. And the price prediction, I already told you that the Litecoin market is right now 406, and it is possible that it may touch to 550. So please, if you like this content, share the video and subscribe the bell icon, so I can, whenever I make new video, new coins, some good coins, you come to know about those immediately. And please make a comment and share the video with your friends on Facebook and WhatsApp, so, and Telegram too. Okay, bye bye, namaskar.